Some Indian states are showing a rising trend of daily COVID-19 cases, indicating early signs of a third wave, a top ICMR official said. Several states began imposing COVID-19 restrictions and increased vaccinations, learning from Delhi and Maharashtra. Due to this, the second wave wasn't as intense, leaving scope for a third wave, said ICMR's Dr. Samiran Panda. South Africa has detected new coronavirus variant with multiple mutations. The new variant, known as C.1.2, has spread to most South African provinces and to 7 other countries in Africa, Europe, Asia and Oceania from May to August, according to a preliminary study. Tests to assess impact of mutations it possesses on infectiousness and vaccine resistance are still underway. Former Union Minister Jairam Ramesh today accused the BJP government in Manipur of diverting urea supply meant for farmers to opium fields. Manipur is getting twice the supply of urea it needs, and yet farmers complain of shortage. Why? Because urea is diverted to hill areas in Manipur where poppy is being grown for opium in large areas in the last 4 years. The state government is fully complicit in this, Jairam Ramesh tweeted. Fearing a flood, a large number of villagers have taken shelter on roads, embankments and other safe places in parts of North Bihar's eastern Champaran, Gopalganj and West Champaran, officials said. Water levels in major rivers in the region are rising, according to officials. We are going to distribute raw food materials to the villagers, Sangrampur Circle Officer Suresh Paswan said. Taliban has reportedly been pinning letters on the house doors of people who helped American and allied forces in Afghanistan, warning them to surrender or die. The letters ask people to attend the Taliban-convened court where they'll receive their punishment. According to the Daily Mail, a translator for British military received a letter which branded him as spy of infidel. Indian high jumpers Mariyappan Thangavelu and Sharad Kumar won silver and bronze medal respectively in the men's T63 final at Tokyo Paralympics. Both the athletes recorded their season best jumps in the final, with Mariyappan jumping 1.86 meters and Sharad jumping 1.83 meters. India have now won 10 medals at the ongoing Tokyo Paralympics. Ed Asner, who voiced the character of Carl Fredricksen in the animated film Up, passed away on Sunday aged 91. The 7-time Emmy-winning actor is also known for playing Lou Grant in the 1970s show The Mary Tyler Moore Show and its spin-off series Lou Grant. Devastated to hear this news, Cobra Kai co-star William Zabka tweeted.